In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status bar. Then select App Notifications and click on blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!